Okay, so you wanna sound like this guy, or this guy, or even this guy. Don't worry, you have found the right guy, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, open Audacity, and record your audio. Hello, do you want to play with me? Make sure you sound like this, by the way. Cut the parts you don't need, and do a noise reduction effect. Repeat it. Hello, do you want to play with me? Okay, that sample sounds fine. Now open FL Studio and drag your sample. And put it on switch. Duplicate it. Clone it. Put the clones here. Pitch this down by 2. Pitch this down by 4. And pitch this one by 6.
Hello, do you want to play with me?
Now it's perfect. Now you can do an effect or whatever it's called.
Hello, do you want to play?
Nah, we don't need it bit crushed. We need a phaser like effect.
Hello, do you want to play with me? Hello, do you want to play with me? Hello, do you want to play with?
And some reverb too. Like this.
Hello, do you want to play with me?
Now you have the voice. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to support me more and have perks and have early access to new content, join the channel and become a member, and peace.